Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the difference between Greek and Renaissance tragedy. Let's start with the introduction. Greek tragedy originated in religious festivals in honor of Dionysus, the god of wine and fertility. The Renaissance playwrights revived many classic forms, including tragedy as well as storylines. Shakespeare found inspirations in the classics, looking to the Greeks as masters of tragedy. The famous Greek tragedians are Aeschylus, Euripides, Sophocles, and the famous Renaissance tragedians are William Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, and Christopher Marlowe. Renaissance tragedy is also called Shakespearean tragedy because Shakespeare is the representative of the Renaissance age. And the Greek tragedies are Oedipus Rex, Antigone, The Libation, The Woman of Trachis, Agamemnon, Medea, the Furies. Elements of Greek tragedy are the subject was serious, catastrophe always falls, protagonist struggles against natural calamities until the end. Protagonist is of noble birth. In the end, no one gains anything except loss, but protagonist, despite having lost the battle, usually gains wisdom and self-awareness in retrospect. Renaissance means rebirth. It refers to the renewed interest in classical learning, the writings of ancient Greece and Rome. William Shakespeare is the representative of Renaissance age. Renaissance tragedies are Dr. Faustus, Antony and Cleopatra, Julius Caesar, King Lear, Othello, The Alchemist, Coriolanus, Hamlet, Macbeth, Volpone, Romeo and Juliet. Elements of Renaissance tragedy: role of fate, tragic flaw, a struggle between good and evil, hamartia, tragic waste, external and internal conflicts, catharsis, supernatural elements, lack of poetic justice, and comic relief. Greek plot has good beginning, middle, and an end. Beginning is self-explanatory, and the plot is always linear. Renaissance plot never starts from very beginning. The play begins in the middle and the plot is complex. Themes of divinity and man. In Renaissance tragedy, man is considered as the center of everything. Character is always a destiny. Individual bring his own ruin. For example, the vaulting ambition of Macbeth leads to his doom, and there is a comic relief in Renaissance tragedy. In Greek tragedy, Greek theocentric vision based on religion, divine power, role of fate, utter helplessness of characters, and there is full tragedy, no comic relief. Tragic hero. Both Greek and Renaissance tragedies have same kind of tragic hero. Tragic hero is a towering personality. He belongs from higher stratum of society and he holds high position in the story. Hero fails due to some flaw in his character. His wrong judgments led him to face his death. Fate plays important role in the fall of hero. For example, Hamlet and Oedipus both were intellectuals and learned, but both meet their tragic end. In Greek tragedy, chorus acts as dramatic device. Chorus was a group of characters. Chorus comments upon the scene by singing and dancing, remained aloof from the action. Chorus provide time gap between two tragic scenes. Violent scenes never spaced and were described by chorus. In Renaissance, there is complete absence of chorus. There is no need of chorus. Every action takes place on stage. Chorus replaced by comic scenes to provide relief to the audience. For example, Porter's scene in Macbeth. In Renaissance tragedy, every scene is staged. That is there in the play. The tragedy ending is same. Both the Greek and Renaissance tragedy is end with the catastrophe of disastrous conclusion that usually involves multiple deaths. The tragic hero does not die, he suffers complete ruin. For example, In Sophocles' Oedipus Rex, the king Oedipus did not die, but he suffers his complete ruin. Three unities: time, action, and place. Greek clearly obeyed the three unities. Renaissance completely disobeys the unities. There are multiple plots and locations in Renaissance tragedy. So we conclude that there is a lot of difference between the Greek and Renaissance tragedies. Some things are common, like ending and tragic hero, but major things are different. Thank you very much. If this video helps you, then please like it and subscribe my channel.